Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button.
Hi, my name is Ria, and I'm 8 years old, and I love Disney. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite rides in Magic Kingdom. That's right, Ru, Magic Kingdom. And since I love roller coasters, my Fab Five are all the roller coasters. Number 5 is Thunder Mountain. Thunder Mountain is a runaway train. It's really fast and there's a lot of twists and turns. There's lots of big and small hills. It's not scary at all. And I love it! Number 4 is Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is a mine train. The mine trains rock a little. There's a bunch of hills and there's a bunch of turns. There's lots of scenes from Snow White, and it's fast. And I like holding hands with my sister on the ride. Number 3 is Goofy's Barnstormer. Goofy's Barnstormer is a plane driven by Goofy. There's a lot of twists and turns. It's a kid's roller coaster, and I like sitting with my sister on it. And it's not scary at all. Number 2 is Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain starts off slow, but at the end it goes fast. It's a water ride. You get wet, especially on a really hot day. It's really good for you. And you go down a hill. It's really bumpy, and it splashes you when you go down the hill. Oh yeah, and the front seat is the best seat. And number 1 is Space Mountain. Space Mountain is a roller coaster. It's in the dark. You see stars and you see space, and you're in a rocket ship. You sit by yourself, and it goes really, really fast. And there's hills. And there's a bunch of sounds as if you're in space. And you go through some tunnels, and you go down hills, but you can't see the track. It's so much fun. Oh yeah, and you sit by yourself. Thank you for listening to my video.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and share the video with all your friends, as well as make sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our awesome videos. Follow along on Facebook at 32 Days of Disney Family, or on Twitter at 32 Days of Disney.